subscribe. Subscribe my Beauty of Nature YouTube channel. And press the bell icon. Animals. Most popular 3 animals in sea. Southern right whale. A close-up view of a southern right whale swimming underwater, off the coast of Cape Town. Aerial view of a whale. An aerial view of a whale swimming off the coast of South Africa. Whale. A southern right whale swimming next to a rock in the ocean, off the coast of Cape Town. Shark whale. A whale shark feeding on plankton off the coast of Mexico. Shot at 50 fps. Shark whale 2. A whale shark feeding on plankton off the coast of Mexico. Shot at 50 fps. A whale shark close up at 50 fps. Shot off the coast of Mexico. Gray reef shark. Reef shark shot against the surface. Gray reef sharks on a coral reef. Dolphin pod. Pod of dolphins filmed in the Red Sea, Egypt. Dolphins underwater. Bottlenose dolphins underwater. Dolphin pod. Thanks for watching this videos.